when we stopped, so it was only looping for a couple of thousand. I've been away making a cup of tea. Cool, eh? Oh, it looped for 2,000. Okay, let's make that even longer. Okay, is that one? Yes. Let's go for something silly. We can put 20,000. Okay, and we're going to up the emulator speed. That was normal speed, so let's do it, I know, 4 times faster. 400 speed. This will rock. Watch this. This is more like pure machine code speeds rather than the hybrid basic machine code module. Look at that. That's mad. Because I did that, made that loop up to 20,000, it'll go on a very long time now. Probably filled the screen out, won't it? It's going to get a load of dots going across sideways, up and down, across the two halves. Cast your eyes to the side of the screen where the disappearing. That's crazy, that bit there. It's going to take a while to fill that lot up, isn't it? It's got some gaps to fill. Those in there, triangles are getting smaller. Which ones when they pass, the triangles pass across each other. And the whole shape lines up. That's pretty mad as well. Oh, there we go, that triangle's going to get filled in. What happens now? A couple more runs and it's done. Last one. 1 or 2. That one. Filled. Yeah, let's be filling in the gaps now. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty wild on the eyes, isn't it? What's it going to look like when it's done? Gets all those last gaps done. Thank God we didn't do it at 1 time speed, that we've been here all week. It's like electronic spirograph, isn't it? God, it's crazy. It's getting there. Before those very top and bottom black curvy triangles are going to be filled. A few more passes and it'll be done. So I have no idea what this is going to end up with. This is a first time experiment. It's wild. Is anyone feeling nauseous yet? Almost there. It's that bit from Star Wars. Almost there. Almost there. There we go. What's it going to do now? It's none of those. Oh, we're going to get. See, okay, yeah. It's filling it even more. I'm going to get the sine waves coming back again. thicker. It's going to fill it all back in again. It's going to go on forever. Right, one last bit of stupidity just to finish up the video. Let's put that emulator to do 999 speed. Sorry, 9999 speed. That is pretty wild. I can't even see what's going on there. Let's bring that down to something like 3000. Still stupid. Oh god, that's stupidly fast. Let's try 1000 then. That's 100. Come on, let's wrap it up now. Nah. Okay, back to normal speed then. 100. To wrap it up. There we go. Crazy patterns. Looks like it's undrawing them now. Going to end up with a load of lines. It's undrawing. It's taking them off. It'll cycle round. Oh, wow. And I'm falling asleep with that. Right, well, there's a pixel scrolling box demo going left and right.